Be ready. Start. Parties are wife and husband. Stop. The petition for divorce between the parties and other ancillary reliefs is pending trial. Stop. The wife, who is the petitioner, is under cross examination. Stop. The husband relies upon certain handwritten diaries of the wife as well as compact disc on which conversation between the wife and the husband has been recorded by the husband on certain dates. Stop. The husband has produced the transcript of the said conversation. Stop. The husband has applied for verification of the handwriting of his wife in the diaries and the voice of the wife in the taped conversation on the CDs. Stop. The wife admits the handwriting in her diaries. Stop. That can be produced in evidence. Stop. Hence, the husband does not press the relief in that behalf. Stop. Aside from the diary, there is one line written by the wife on a certain menu of her catering service, which is also admitted by the wife. Stop. The parties are at dispute with regard to the taped conversation on the CDs. Stop. The husband has not yet filed the affidavit of documents. Stop. He has therefore not relied upon any specific document. Stop. The husband has, however, served upon the wife inter alia the CDs as well as the transcript. Stop. These are the documents referred to by the husband in paragraph 22 of his written statement. Stop. The reference runs thus. Stop. On several occasions thereafter, the defendant had occasion to record the plaintiff's conversation where she has told the defendant to leave her father's house as she wanted a divorce. Stop. It is contended on behalf of the wife that the taped conversation is not relied upon as a document. Stop. It is not referred to as a document and hence the husband cannot use it as a document in evidence. Stop. It is also contended by the wife that the affidavit of documents is not filed and the instrument on which the initial conversation was recorded is not produced. Stop. The husband could have recorded it on a tape recorder, audio cassette, MP3 player, dictaphone, computer, or even on his mobile phone. Stop. That recording is not produced and inspection of that recording is not given and hence the wife contends that the CD and the transcript cannot be used by the husband. Stop. The wife has neither admitted nor denied the conversation. Stop. The husband seeks to use it in her cross examination. Stop. The elementary principle of recording evidence must be first contended. Stop. Evidence consists of examination in chief and cross examination. Stop. A party is required to offer for inspection and produced the document relied upon by him in support of his case. Stop. This is required in his examination in chief. Stop. This contains the oral and documentary evidence. Stop.